We started in 1999, so we've been going for nearly 20 years, and we make laser cut acrylic jewellery. It's the right material for what we want to do, and it translates kind of like drawing essentially into real things. And all of the things and all of the ways that we work with acrylic today, you know, we've developed and understood just through trial and error and making mistakes and just testing stuff and playing with it. I mean, obviously plastic's kind of a bit of a dirty word at the moment, but actually the fact that it's made of plastic is actually quite important because it won't deteriorate.